Hi class. Today I told you we are going to have a quiz over the 12 days of Christmas. This little tutorial will help you, and we have volume here that will read for you.
Day of Christmas. A little Christmas.
My students gave to me a little Christmas tree,
Second day of Christmas. A pair of gloves.
pair of gloves, class, 3 red ink pens, calculators. This tutorial will help you, class. Even though we can't read yet, this will actually, you push the volume button and it reads for you. 5 diamond rings, 6 spelling papers, 7 pencil erasers. What is it on the 8th day, class? Can you tell me? Spiral notebooks, 9 red trapezoids, 10 tissue boxes, 11 purple pencils. And class, can you tell me what the 12th day of Christmas was? 12 chocolate bars.